how to set a song as a ringtone on Samsung phone. So if you are tired of basic default Samsung songs and you wanna set your song, your sound as a ringtone, I'm gonna show you how you can do this. Firstly, what you need to do is you need to download any song you like. You can do it with the help of Spotify converter or just transfer from your laptop. For example, I just used this website, searched for the song here and just tapped MP3 download. So I have downloaded this song from here. Now what we are gonna do is we are gonna go in the phone's settings and scroll down until sounds and vibration. Here you will see section ringtone, just tap on it. And on the top you should see plus. Tap on the plus to access all your downloaded sounds. So as you can see, I have two songs here and I'm gonna choose this one, Fight Back.
I don't want to hear it anymore.
And now let's click down in the top right to confirm that we wanna pick this song. Oh, by the way, before I'm gonna hit done button, we can also enable to play selected highlights only, or we can turn that off and play song from the beginning. Now I'm gonna click done, and now this song will be my ringtone. So you don't need to do anything else. Also, you can maybe adjust the ringtone's volume, but basically that's it. You just set this song as your ringtone. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.